Trident currently operates close to 30 processing facilities around the world, 20 of which run Innova food processing software. With facilities in Alaska, Asia, Europe, and South America, Trident produces everything from commodity products with pollock, salmon, halibut, and cod either in block form or HNG, to finished products and value-added products that you might see on shelves at the grocery store. Trident also operates their own processing vessels that sail between Washington and Alaska.
For Trident, Innova is a full production control software that provides control from landing of the fish on the dock through primary processing and all the way through finished goods into shipping. Along the way, you get various data from integrated equipment that allows you to do more business analytics and traceability of the product throughout the process.
Innova food processing software is designed to improve productivity and reduce cycle time.
We worked with the Marel development team over the past 10 years to help tailor the software for our industry for fishing. And we've been able to solve other business challenges around traceability and packaging and order control, further inventory management.
One of the main benefits of Innova for Trident has been the ability to standardize platforms across facilities.
We operate plants in multiple time zones. So what we've been able to do over the last 10 years is standardize all operations around the same system. I think that's something that we've taken pride in, is we've standardized on the label creation and the standardization that our customer sees when they receive our products from multiple plants.
Innova offers a range of modules for managing and monitoring food production.
Innova food processing software helps me keep track of labels in a way that I don't have to keep track of every single item produced. With Innova, I can take care of an item list of 200 products and have 10 templates to cover all of those labels.
So some of the challenges that Innova solved for Trident over the years are inventory control, quality control, standardization. We started to implement Innova in 2008. We were doing hand paper reports for inventory, hand-written pallet tags. Being able to do individual box unique identifiers, which are linked to a pallet, which are linked to a shipment, and being able to trace the raw material to the finished product and then to the container and to the customer that it goes to, I think is extremely important. So from the efficiency of feeding fish into a machine towards the efficiency of actually filleting a certain amount of pounds per hour, Innova's allowed us to keep track of that information by employee and generate useful reporting tools off of that.
Innova ensures reliable data collection, providing full traceability throughout the production process.
I think the business as a whole started to see the value a couple years into the implementation after we probably completed our 6th site. We started to see the ability to transform data, to consolidate data, to integrate data into our ERP system and our BI software for reporting. So you get the benefits of the Innova food processing software for the individual factories. So there's lots of value in what it provides to the plant managers, to the production supervisors on the factory floor. There's a lot of very useful data that helps them run the factory more efficient. They're able to take from the ERP is a lot of times different data than what is important to the guys running the factory on a day-to-day basis.
It's easier for us to keep track of instead of having to individually go to each site and look at what information is there. We make one change in one site and we can push it to all the sites that is pertinent to that change. So that makes my life way easier.
I would say the inventory module is to Trident for Innova is the single biggest gain of business improvement from an efficiency standpoint in Alaska and in some of our value-added facilities. The ability to track and move and adjust inventory in real time and the visibility that it gives us to that inventory as it moves and transverses from Alaska to a customer around the world. It's extremely important for Trident to have its own Innova support team because of the way that our operations are set up. We span globally over many time zones, and it's extremely important for us to be able to provide 24/7 support to those facilities.
But it is important for us to have somebody local that knows the process in plant. Then our top managers can go directly at whatever site they're looking for production information, for grading information, for shipment information. They got all of that at the tip of their fingers. in real time thanks to the connectivity and easy overlay of third parties and Innova integration. Makes us have information faster in real time so we can make decisions faster to correct any issues.
We're seeing a lot of change around automation. A lot of new fish processing facilities are getting more and more automated, more and more robotics. You know, I think one of the largest areas of change is around data and business analytics. That was something that virtually was non-existent in the fishing industry 10 years ago. And now you go into factories and you see large TVs with metric. That goes back to the data.
Innova includes real-time monitoring of key performance indicators, KPIs, such as yield, throughput, quality, capacity, and labor efficiency. These valuable insights enable processors to identify opportunities for improvements while ensuring that production conforms to quality and food safety standards.